Welcome back, learners. So far we have explored OpenClaw and its features. In this video, we are going to see how you can access OpenClaw on your own system. There are two ways to access OpenClaw. The first is directly through the terminal, which is quick and straightforward. The second is via Node.js, which is more structured and flexible, especially if you plan to extend or customize OpenClaw later. Let's start with terminal-based installation. You can use this single command line to use it directly in your terminal. Now, let's look at the Node.js based setup, which is slightly more involved but also more powerful. First, there are a few prerequisites. You need Node.js terminal access, an API key for an LLM model, and at least one messaging platform account. Think of this like setting up a smart home system. Before automation works, you need Wi-Fi, devices, and permissions in place. Once that's ready, you install it globally using npm. Finally, the onboarding command sets up OpenClaw as a background service, so it is always available when messages comes in. This approach is recommended if you want long-running agents, integrations, or production-like usage. Now that you have seen both installation methods, it's time to move to hands-on. Here, I will access OpenClaw via terminal. That brings us to the end of this video on accessing OpenClaw. In the next video, we will see how to connect CloudBot with any messaging gateway.